Hi everyone! Today we're going to prepare a delicious cheesecake, Cocina con Milly style. De nuevo aquí estamos mientras. Hi my friends, thank you for joining Cocina con Milly. And today we're going to prepare a delicious cheesecake, Cocina con Milly style. And the ingredients for the cheesecake, the first and foremost ingredient is the original Philadelphia cream cheese. And you would need 2 cups of Philly cream cheese. We will need sour cream, and that's 2 tablespoons of sour cream. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. 1 tablespoon of vanilla cook and serve pudding. 1 cup of sugar. I use the raw sugar just to keep the calories a little bit down, not feel so guilty. And we would need a tablespoon of vanilla. Also, grate the zest of an entire lemon. We will grate it, and whatever you get of 1 lemon, you are going to add to the cheesecake. And also the lemon juice of 1 lemon. So the same lemon that you grate, the juice of that lemon you use for the cheesecake. And my secret ingredient, brandy or Cointreau, whatever you have. So 1 shot of brandy, Cointreau. And our topping is, I love the cherry topping. And you could either make it from scratch with strawberries or cherries and the cornstarch, or use this can. This can is pretty good. Look how delicious these cherries look. And today I have my bunny because tomorrow is Easter Sunday. And I wish you all a happy Easter Sunday with your family. And I hope you could cook a good meal for them tomorrow. Well, once we have all these ingredients displayed, we would put them all into a bowl. And as you see, I started blending. And I left for last to add the brandy. And I go adding it little by little. And what that does, if you have little children, don't add brandy. Just stick to the original ingredients that I had mentioned earlier. But look how smooth. Once you add this brandy, it smells delicious. Look how smooth our batter becomes. Once our batter is with this consistency, look, ooh, delicious. We will now go to our oven and get our graham cookie mold that I baked for 5 minutes. Now, to get to this crisp, what I did, I battered half of an egg and I poured it into the shell, and then the residual I used for the batter of the of the cheesecake. All right, and now we will of cream cheese, sour cream, cornstarch, vanilla jello, sugar, vanilla, zest of lemon of 1 lemon, the juice of 1 lemon, a shot of brandy. Look how beautiful and how fast you can make your homemade cheese delicious, low in calories because we use raw sugar. You could all share with your family. Now we would place it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes, depending. How do you know it's ready? You take a toothpick or a fork, a knife, and when it comes out clear, your cheesecake is all done. And after 30 minutes in the oven, ta-da! Our cheesecake. It's a little bit dark, but I like it dark. Now we're going to decorate our cheesecake. And for that, I'm going to need, as I told you earlier, 1 can of country cherry. But if you want, you could put the topping of your preference. So we use a spatula because it's much easier. Look how easy. Then we proceed to cover our entire cheesecake. And here's our finished product. Delicious cherry cheesecake. And we serve it in a nice dish. After refrigerated, we will enjoy.